A home renovation project can be a big headache and a lot of people don't know where to start. So I want to make a video today breaking down the 4 most important things to consider before you start your home renovation project. Number 1 would be to get at least 2 to 3 quotes from different contractors to make sure you're getting the best deal and to make sure it's gonna fit your timeline on when you're trying to complete the project. This also enables you to see their work, their past projects they have completed to make sure you like what you see. So this is very important to get at least 2 to 3 quotes. Number 2 is to have all your material picked out. Your colors, your countertops, everything that you want for the home, have it already picked out while you're getting your quotes. Because at the time when you get ready to hire the contractor, you could just let them know the material you want to use, the types of colors you want to put together, and he'll tell you how much square footage to buy at Home Depot or at Floor & Decor or wherever you're gonna pick up your material from. So this is crucial to have your material picked out ahead of time when you speak to these contractors that are giving you quotes. Real quick, before we jump into number 3, I wanna give you a bonus point, something I learned throughout this process. And if you actually been through a process where you did a home renovation, tell me in the comments how it went. Tell me how long it took. I wanna know. So I learned that you need to buy extra material for tile, especially. You wanna buy at least 1 or 2 extra boxes, because when the installer starts cutting the pieces up and fitting them together, sometimes a lot of it goes to waste and is unable to use it to fit on the rest of the property. So you wanna buy extra tile and flooring to make sure you're not making extra trips to buy 1 or 2 boxes. Whatever is left over, you could always return back to the store. That's your bonus tip. Tip number 3, you wanna cover all your furniture with the plastic, tape it down to the floor, tape it as tight as you can because it's gonna get dusty, real dusty. So don't forget this tip, it's very important, especially if you have nice furniture already at your home. You don't wanna get it dirty and all dusty. Lock boxes. This is very important in the whole process because this will give your general contractor access to the home at any time. He doesn't have to wait for you to let him in, so you don't waste a bunch of time. We actually installed one of these outside of my house. This style you can mount on the wall or on a tree. We actually put this one on my front tree there, but you have other styles where you can hang from the front door as well. That's also a good one. So this will save you a lot of time and effort if you leave a spare key in a lockbox for your general contractor. You can find these very easily at Home Depot, Lowe's, Walmart. They sell them everywhere, a lockbox with the combination. So that's it for this one, guys. These are my top 4 tips for you so you can start a home renovation project properly. And just a reminder, I am a realtor here in Las Vegas. I help my clients buy and sell real estate. I help my buyers buy homes and help them renovate them if they're distressed or needs any type of work. I help my sellers remodel their properties and fix them as well before we put them on the market. So if you guys are thinking about doing any of these things, feel free to text me anytime at this number below. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.